Hi everyone, I'm Zen Honeycutt of Moms Across America. We're a national coalition of unstoppable moms. We're a nonprofit committed to creating healthy communities. A lot of us are not well today, and even more of us, our children, are not well. In fact, 1 out of 2 American children have a chronic illness today. That includes autism, allergies, autoimmune disease, asthma, obesity, and diabetes. And this is simply an epidemic that is unacceptable. And growing evidence shows that the chemicals that are in our food supply are a major contributing factor to these illnesses. Glyphosate, the #1 herbicide used in our food and farm feed crops, which is found in Roundup and 750 other glyphosate-based herbicides, is a chelator. And a chelator meaning it holds or makes unavailable the vital nutrients of any living thing it touches. And this chemical, glyphosate, with other chemicals as well in glyphosate-based herbicides, can be found on over 158 of our food and feed crops. And this is allowed by the EPA at levels far above which has been shown to do harm in our gut and to impact health. Now, what do we think is happening in our bodies? Well, we think that glyphosate-based herbicides are chelating the vital nutrients which are meant to help our bodies function, chelating minerals and vitamins like potassium and zinc and iron, right? And we know that this is happening in farming, that the soil and the microbes and the vital nutrients in the soil have been depleted due to chemical farming over the past 20 to 40 years. There's a published study that says that's in August Celebration by Linda Grover, which found that in 1948, spinach contained 158 milligrams for every 100 grams of spinach. Now today, or actually 25 years later, the same quantity of spinach contains less than 2.2 milligrams of iron. And today, to obtain the same amount of iron of 50 years ago, we would have to eat 75 portions of spinach. What are we going to do? Because obviously we can't do that, right? First, we need to eat organic to avoid putting the chelating chemicals into our body. And so second, put the minerals back in. Today's food simply will not supply the minerals that it would have 50 years ago. It's just not happening. There's too much drift and chemicals, industrial chemicals, air chemicals, aerial spraying chemicals. So the soil is just not what it used to be. So we need to put the essential minerals back in. And Moms Across America has created an excellent source of trace minerals. This is our Earth Mother brand sold on our website. It's called Liquid Earth Mother Essential Plant Minerals. This contains 72 plant-derived trace minerals from a pristine source of prehistoric shale. It also contains naturally occurring fulvic acid, which acts as an electrolyte. It maintains cell permeability, supports RNA and DNA metabolism, which, by the way, is impacted by GMOs and glyphosate, and promotes repair of toxin damage to cells, and aids the biological activity and absorption of these very important trace minerals. To use it, you simply take a teaspoon and add it to water. Let's see. And I have to say that we've tried other trace minerals for my kids, and they simply don't like them. They taste too minerally. So you just add a teaspoon to some water. It just looks like water, but it has organic lemon lime and organic stevia. I made sure that it had that, and drink it. It's just really wonderful. It tastes like lemonade. We don't do any soda and hardly any juice in my family, so this makes it like a treat. We hope you'll try it today. It costs $14.50 for an 8-ounce supply that has 48 doses in it, and you'll receive 10% off reoccurring orders. And you'll be supporting Moms Across America and our programs and our volunteers and creating healthy communities all across the country by doing this. So thank you very much and have great health.